Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look at the advanced AutoCAD drawing commands. And our first item is the spline fit. The second item is the spline CV, and we are going to look at the difference between spline fit and spline CV. We are also going to look at the use of construction line in drawing. We are also going to look at how to draw a spiral in AutoCAD. We are also going to look at how to draw using ray command, and finally the wipeout command. Going straight to the point, our first item is the spline fit. Spline fit enables you to draw spline with fit points. Okay, so you can draw a sample object of any dimension and close, press enter. Then we pick our command on spline fit, starting from this edge. Okay, and close, then press enter to complete the command. So we have said spline fit allows you to draw a spline with fit points. We were drawing using the fit points. Then let us look at the next item so that we will consider their differences. Let us draw another object of any dimension. Press enter. Picking command on spline CV. So spline CV enables you to draw a spline with control vertices. Okay, first point, second point. Okay, we have already looked at the differences. Okay, see how our polyline appears. Press enter. Spline CV draws a polyline under the control of the vertices. So this is the first vertices, and it will draw a polyline inside these vertices. Inside these vertices, okay, the polyline will be drawn inside each of the vertices. But for the spline fit, it will consider the points, and the spline will be drawn outside the object. Okay, so the uses of spline is when you want to draw break lines. Let us look at an example. We can draw a rectangle. Pick command on spline fit. Let us draw any shape. Press enter. So when you want to show that this region is continuous on this side, then you use the spline fit to show that this region is continuous on the other side. Okay, I hope you have understood. Then our next item is the use of construction line. So construction line creates a line of infinite length, and the lines can be vertical, horizontal, or drawn at an angle. So when we turn on auto mode, our construction lines will be drawn either horizontally or vertically. So we can specify a first point. When you drag it horizontally, construction line will be drawn horizontally. Press enter. Press enter to repeat the same command. Click any point. When you drag your mouse upwards, construction line will be drawn vertically. Okay, then click and press enter. Then when you want to draw the construction line at an angle, just pick the command on construction line, then pick the first point and click on tab. Okay, then type your angle, say 30, then press enter. The line does not appear because auto mode is on, so we turn off auto mode. Click escape. Let's pick the same command, construction line. Sorry for that. Construction line. Pick our first point, then click on tab. Enter your angle, say 30, enter. Click on tab, say 60, enter. Click on tab, enter your angle, say 120, enter. Then we can enter to complete the command. Okay, these lines will be infinite. Okay, but when you draw an item inside, for example this circle, you can just trim the excess parts. Okay, let's delete this and you obtain your final object. Okay, so using construction line, I made this drawing here and I will leave it to you as an assignment at the end of the video. Then our next item is the ray. Ray command enables you to draw a line starting at a point and continues to infinity. Let us erase this one. We can draw a circle of any size. Then we pick on ray command. So when we want to divide this circle into, let's say, 6 equal parts, okay, so we just pick the ray command starting from the center, ensure auto mode is off, then click on tab to enter the angle. So our first angle will start from 0, click enter, then click on tab again. Because it is 6 sides, it means the total angle, which is 360, is divided into 6 parts. So our next angle will be 60 degrees. 60, enter, click on tab. The next angle will be 120, enter, click on tab again. The next angle will be 180, enter. The next angle will be 240. So click on tab, 240, enter. Then finally, the last angle will be 300. Click on tab, type 300, enter. Then enter to complete the command. This circle has been divided into 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using the ray command. So unlike the construction line draws an horizontal, vertical, or line drawn at an angle from infinity to infinity. But ray command starts at a point and goes to infinity. Okay, so you can erase the excess lines. Click on trim, then press enter. To erase them, then click enter. You can delete this one, highlight and erase. Okay, here's what you obtain. And I made a drawing here. This one I used array command and I divided it into 12 equal parts. So the difference in angle is 30 degrees. And I hatched them. So we can try hatch command. Click on hatch. Then solid hatch. Okay. Then we can change the color of the hatch. Just click here on pie layer. Let's say green color. Click on these points, this one. Enter. We can pick another hatch. Solid. Then change the color to be red. Click on this region. Enter. You can repeat our hatch for the final time. Solid, color, say blue. Click on this region, enter, and this item appears. Okay, you can try any other color or try drawing this diagram here. Then our next command is the region. You look at this command. So region converts an object that encloses an area into a region object. Let's look at an example. A region needs to be closed. Okay. Region is almost same as the join command in modify join. Okay, but the difference is that region works only in an enclosed region. So when we highlight this object using the line command, you see it only highlights each individual lines. Okay, when we come to region, we just select these objects, or we can select all of them and press enter. Okay, and this item will be 1. I hope you have understood. After drawing your item, come to region, then select all your item and press enter, and it will become one region. But if the region is not enclosed, assuming you have drawn this one, and then press enter, and we go to region command and try to join them, enter, it will not work. Okay, so at this point we go to modify and then join, then we select our item and press enter. So when we select any point, this item has been joined. Okay, then our next item is the wipe out. You look at this command, wipe out. Wipe out creates a polygon area that covers underlying objects. Okay, let's say we have hatched a region, for example this region. If we come to hatch command, let's say solid, give a color, you can use this color. Yes, we have hatched this region with a solid color, Then when we want to leave a certain region inside here, we just come to wipe out. Okay, then we create a polygon. Okay, that you want to wipe out, then you press enter. This region will be wiped out. It will cover the underlying object. Okay, that's the function of the wipeout. Then finally, we are going to look at the helix command. So helix, it creates a 2D spiral or 3D spring. Okay, just click on helix. Then you specify the center, specify the base radius, which should be non-zero. It does not accept 0. Okay, let's say 5, radius of 5. Then the top radius we can put 20, enter. Then we can enter the number of turns using these commands here. Number of turns, you can say 20 turns. Okay, just click, it will complete your spiral. And a spiral, it can be 2D or 3D. Okay, this one is 3D. Just click on shift, then click on scroll wheel and hold, and then just move the mouse, okay, to look at it. Or you can as well go to view, command here, then unsaved view, just look for southeast isometric. Okay, this is how it will appear. Spiral is 3D. Okay, then there are few commands here. I want you to look at them. There is the donut and drawing a rectangular, irregular shaped. Okay, let us return our view to top. Okay. So finally, I want you to try drawing these diagrams here. The first one is this one, using the construction line. Okay, look at the spline fit, spline CV, wiped out, ray command, the diameter is 50, divide it into 12 equal parts, and finally the spiral. You can look at the spiral from southeast. Yes, this is how it appears. Okay.